Hello. This is assignment analog input with the joystick. This is the first code. Set our LEDs. We configure ADC out. And this is the if statement. 3000. I looked at the analog input. It looked like it went from 0 to like 4,000. So I said if ADC is more than 3,000, turn on these LEDs. If ADC is less than 1,000, turn on these LEDs. And if it's else between 1,000 and 3,000, no LED. I'm gonna put it to the board. Okay, down. Boom. That's part 1 of the code. Now part 2. Let's give a little overview. Set the ports. So analog. This is to set the color. This is to drive the LEDs based on the duty cycle, which is a parameter. And then we have this, and we have the PWM signals with ISG. Okay, I'm gonna upload this one to the board. Start this. Upload this. This one should do. Basically, gonna go and say at 0 because it goes from 0 to 4,000. From 0, purple. Gonna go. Yeah, it's gonna do the color changes from purple to red. Okay, so it starts at white because white is in between. It's like, okay, I just use white because white's cool. And then we're gonna go to purple. Put it on purple, blue, green, white, and then going to red, yellow, red. I can't do orange. I'm not that skilled. I'm gonna be honest. I tried my best. Okay.